Well, I have to tell you that your mom
Oh.
is not in that group.
Oh! Je le savais, bande d'impostrices.
And on the street, the traffic starts jumping. There are folks like me, and this is going.
Yo, tranquille, c'est pas noté. Là, pourquoi tu vas vite comme ça, là? Non, je pense que c'est pas elle. C'est elle? Je le savais! Oh là là, mesdames et messieurs, qui se rappelle, il y a à peu près de ça, genre quelques mois, on avait regardé une émission qui s'appelait Who's Your Daddy, qui est pour moi une des émissions avec le concept le plus loufoque, le plus fou, le plus improbable du sang planétaire. Alors en gros, la dernière fois, on a regardé une dame, excusez-moi, le concept encore une fois me choque là, qui a été adoptée, c'est-à-dire qui a pas connu en fait ses parents, qui devait trouver qui était son père biologique face à plein d'hommes devant elle. Pas une dinguerie en vrai de vrai. J'ai trouvé le deuxième épisode. Normalement, il y en a que 3, et dans l'idée, celui-ci c'est la suite. Who's Your Mommy? Normalement, j'imagine que c'est le même concept, c'est-à-dire qu'on est face à quelqu'un qui va devoir deviner qui est sa mère par rapport à toutes les personnes qui sont face à elle. Juste pour rappel, n'hésitez pas à liker cette vidéo-là si vous voulez avoir la suite, parce que là, il y a que 3 épisodes qui existent sur Terre, là. Ils en ont fait 3 et ils se sont dit, ouais, c'est bon, là. La première épisode, en passant, je tiens à préciser, il y a beaucoup de gens qui ont grave kiffé. Étrangement, même si le concept peut être un peu loufoque, les gens ont beaucoup apprécié, c'était très émotionnel, c'était très mignon. Donc voilà, let's go, on est parti. Il n'y a pas de lait plus fort que celui qui unit un parent à son enfant. J'adore comment ils amènent le truc là.
But what happens when that bond is broken?
Oh là là.
At the end of this process, I'm gonna have 2 families.
Separated a lifetime from one another, does the bond between parent and child still exist?
Yo, je sais pas si vous connaissez des gens qui ont été adoptés ou qui ont eu des situations justement où ils vivent dans une autre famille, mais on sait que la plupart du temps que j'ai connu ça, c'est toujours des gens qui m'ont dit, moi, ça m'intéresse pas plus que ça de savoir qui est mes parents, qui est peu importe et tout. Et je sais pas, on dirait que moi, je peux pas me mettre dans la position. Mais moi, on dirait que ça me crée pas un vide, mais tu te dis, ah, j'aimerais bien savoir en fait.
I've been hoping for this for a long time, and it's finally happening.
Donc c'est elle, la mère de Alexis.
I can't wait to talk to her again.
Would this child, now a grown woman, know who her mother is if she were to meet her in a crowd?
You ready to meet her?
But it won't be easy.
Attendez, je vais préciser un truc. Si elle réussit à trouver sa mère, elle gagne 100 000. Et si c'est la fausse mère, eh ben, c'est la fausse mère qui gagne 100 000. Putain, j'avais oublié, on est aux États-Unis. La démocratie, la liberté, le pétrole. Quel concept d'émission lunaire. C'est improbable. Who's Your Daddy? Non, Your Mommy, c'est la suite. Magnifique.
I'm Finola Hughes, and welcome
Salut.
to Who's Your Mommy? Tonight, a young woman separated at birth from her biological mother will see her lifelong dream come true as she meets her mom for the very first time. But of course, it's not going to be that straightforward. In a moment, she'll meet 8 women, all of whom claim to be her mother, but only one of them is.
Attendez, mais moi je trouve ça tellement diabolique le fait qu'il y a des fausses mères qui se prétendent être sa mère. Ils vont jouer sur la corde sensible de ouais, je suis ta maman. Ouais, je t'aime, t'inquiète.
Question.
Oh!
If she can, not only will she be reunited with the woman she has so longed to find, but she will also walk away with as much as $100,000.
Let's go! C'est ça
Let's
qu'on
meet
veut,
our
le
daughter,
khalis,
Alexis.
la moula, les drahams.
My name is Alexis Alvasian. I am 24 years old. I'm
Salut.
from Laguna Beach, California. I learned that I was adopted when my parents realized that I was going to be old enough to understand what adoption was. They made it sound really, really good in the sense that we chose you, you were made by somebody, and then we chose you. And to me, that sounded cooler than being just a biological daughter to them.
C'est vrai que c'est un gros flex en vrai de vrai. Pour tous mes adoptés, ça vous pourrez au moins dire que vos parents vous ont choisi. Et ça c'est cool ça en vrai de vrai. Ça c'est un gros flex.
I was raised very lucky. I got to travel a lot. I've been all over the world.
Attends quoi? Elle a été... Yo, pause.
I was raised very lucky.
Et moi aussi j'aurais voulu être adopté par des milliardaires comme ça. Là, c'est quoi ce... Pourquoi il y a un hélicoptère et tout là?
I got to travel a lot.
Oui,
I've
ah
been all over
oui.
the world. I decided to search for my birth mother mostly because I'm curious. I want to see where I get my little features from. I want to see where I came from. But I also know, going through this process, that she wants to meet me. And so now I'm more curious than I've ever been in who she is
Elle est
and
pas
why
du
she
tout là
is
pour
how
l'argent,
she is,
évidemment.
why I am how I am.
Je
I
rigole.
remember the only time I've actually cried over the idea of being adopted was when my adopted mother told me that I have little brothers and sisters.
Oh, ça c'est fou, ça quand même. What?
Because I want to meet them.
On va
wanna
avoir des
meet
frères et
everyone.
sœurs là, ça c'est une dinguerie.
The way I've been looking at it was, at the end of this process, I'm gonna have 2 families. And that's what I'm hoping for in the future.
Je le souhaite. Imagine, elle a choisi la mauvaise mère. Oh!
Driving up to the house, I have no idea what to expect. I've been waiting for a long time to be able to meet my real mom. And I'm terrified, I'm nervous, I'm anxious, I'm excited. I'm everything combined into one, so my stomach just hurts.
M'étonne là.
My stomach just hurts a lot.
Hi.
Hi.
Salut.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you feeling? Okay?
Very nervous.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but anxious. I'm ready to do this.
It's a big moment for you, right? So your mom's behind that door right now. You ready to meet her?
Eh, on va jouer ensemble, ok? Là, genre juste jouer le jeu là. On va devoir deviner c'est qui là. Vas-y, sur rien. Hein.
Ladies,
C'est mon côté mentaliste là qui prend le dessus. On rappelle, la fille a 24 ans, il y a un aspect d'âge aussi là. Il y a un rapport d'âge
Wow.
normalement. Sois logique un peu.
as promised, one of these women is your mother. And of course, 7 of them are not.
Meeting all the moms for the first time was so intimidating because I knew 7 of them were lying.
Of the 8 women standing here,
Ah, c'est dur! Ah, c'est dur! Attendez, yo. En vrai, peut-être, d'après moi, elle l'a eu jeune. Tu sais, des fois, c'est peut-être une raison pourquoi elle peut pas se permettre de la garder. Donc, je me dis, il y en a dans l'eau qui a l'air plus
one of
vieille.
them is your biological mother.
Right.
And we were able to locate her through reunitetoday.com. And of course, just to make sure that you are indeed mother and daughter, you took DNA tests through DNA Diagnostic Center, and they have authentic.
Yo, aussi, c'est de l'acting, c'est terrifiant. Elle a l'air un peu traumatisée par le fait de l'avoir. Je trouve que c'est pas mal. En plus, elle lui ressemble un peu là.
So your mom's standing in front of you right now.
Ah non, 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 elle ressemble pas trop finalement.
To all of you. Thank you.
Yo, elle, elle pleure!
Alexis for the
Yo, il y a
first
trop de
time was
possibilités!
amazing. There was Alexis standing there by herself, strong, and I felt
Mais elles sont tous en train de pleurer, c'est trop
to
dur!
know that I was her mom.
All right, ladies, would you please introduce yourself?
C'est trop dur!
I'm Linda, and I'm your mom.
Menteuse! Non, non, t'as pas sa tête. Mais là que je me trompe, mais t'as pas sa tête.
I'm Kim, and I'm your mom.
Hi, Kim.
I'm Angela, and I'm your mom.
Hmm.
Hi, I'm Robin, and I'm your mom.
Nice to meet
Yo,
you.
c'est des faux actrices!
Lisa, and I'm your mom.
Non, elle est Zama, genre c'est... c'est un show d'humour là, pourquoi elle rigole?
Hi, I'm Karen, and I'm your mom. Hi.
Pas sincère.
Hi, I'm Carol, and I'm your mom.
I'm Michelle.
Michel? Comment tu le ressembles pas du tout? Hein? Yo, si c'est Michel là, ils m'ont brain là, what the fuck?
I'm your mom.
Non, 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 pas... C'est pas Michel, non, non,
A
non.
little bit, but then I just started focusing on which one's my real mom, checking out what I felt was similar, you know, which one's real, which one's really crying, listening for a voice that sounded like mine.
Elle qui sourit, je sais pas, c'est bizarre.
Been my mom, for all I know.
All right, now you gotta solve the mystery. Well, I think it's time for you to get to know these ladies a little better.
All right, I'm
Let's
ready.
go.
Bring it on, ladies. Let's do it.
Come on, let's go.
I'm feeling so anxious to get this done with. It's been a really...
Putain, quel jeu incroyable quand même quand on y repense.
And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Tu vois, on a eu des coconuts là qui ont paru de nulle part là. Qu'est-ce que...
Okay, everyone, grab a drink and get comfortable. Take a seat if you want.
I want to get to know all the women tonight. I want to get to know them well enough where I think I'll have a good grasp on who they are.
I'm sure you've got a lot of questions that you'd like to ask your mom.
Yes, I do.
All right, have fun.
All right.
Go ahead, I'll see you in a little while.
We're about to start the cocktail party. My insides are just a nervous wreck right now.
I'm Michelle.
Michelle, that's right.
Ouais, bon, Michel, on passe à autre chose.
Linda, what do you like to do for fun?
I don't find myself with a lot of time, but I like to take pictures. I like to read.
Do you like to read as well?
Yeah, I love reading. My favorite of late was a sort of murder mystery, but a look at the afterlife that really gives one hope, me anyway.
Pas convaincu. Elle essaie de prouver quoi en fait là?
So I really liked that.
On s'en fout.
Interesting. Linda?
Non, Linda,
I had a
non, c'est mort.
conversation
Casse-toi.
with her. She seemed very genuine.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you guys doing?
Good. I'm Carol.
Hi, Carol. I'm Alexis.
Kim.
Kim. Okay, Kim and Carol.
Ok, les deux ont l'air un peu plus intimidés, ce que je
do you
ne
guys like
serait
to
plus
do
logique,
for
non?
Go to the beach, play beach volleyball.
Oh, really? Me too.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Tiens, tiens,
I love
tiens.
sports. I played soccer for 20 years. I love to go to the movies.
Robin and Lisa, if you could eat one kind of food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Dessert.
Really?
Everything except liver.
Me too. Karen, Angela, what do you guys do if you're like stressed out?
Kickbox.
Really?
I like just beating the crap.
Don't get mad at me.
Une personne qui a un passé peut-être là qui essaie de sortir le méchant peut-être en se battant. Ok, là je rigole.
Angela, when she said that she does kickboxing, I kind of do. I mean, I kind of improvise as far as kickboxing, but I'll punch stuff.
I like the
Ouais, ben ça voit ça comme un comme un atome crochu, pourquoi pas là, mais ouais.
I like the horseback ride.
I've had bad experiences on horses.
Uh-oh.
I'm scared of horses. I don't know, do you guys like sports?
Hockey.
Really?
Yeah.
I used to work for the Colorado Avalanche.
Did you? It's my favorite team.
Yeah, I worked with the Pepsi.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Allez, hop, nomme-moi 5 joueurs là, juste parce que en fait là, je sais pas si elle dit ça, juste pour prouver Zama, ouais, on a des trucs en commun, peu importe et tout.
Football? Football's your
And
probably
tennis.
favorite.
I watch tennis too.
And what do you do when you're stressed out? Like, how do you deal with it?
I like to shop.
Shopping, huh?
Because they're just walking and look, I don't need to buy anything, but just going to the marketplace.
Like trying on stuff?
Je suis pas convaincu.
Me neither.
Not at all, yeah.
Oh, I hate it.
Je sais pas si c'est un truc génétique, mais tu vois la faussette. Genre par exemple moi, j'en ai une et ça vient de ma mère. Mon frère et ma soeur en ont aussi. Donc je me dis c'est probablement un truc génétique aussi là. Elle a une faussette, l'autre elle en a pas.
Michelle, I see a little bit of myself in her.
Mentaliste.
She is the quintessential example of what I thought my mom looks like.
Hello, it sounded like you were having fun in here.
Alexis was amazing. She handled herself with ease, with humor, grace. I was in awe of her.
Were you paying attention to everything that was going on?
Yeah, I mean, I think.
Okay, good, because you got to make a big
Peut-être celle qui fait du kickboxing, parce que c'est à ce moment où il y a une blague.
Time for you to eliminate 4 of
Parler
these
d'humour.
ladies. Okay.
Okay. Everything's going so fast. I mean, the conversations that we had were very, very, very brief. But my gut feeling of who it is, I'd say Angela or I'd say Michelle.
Quoi? Michelle? Je suis pas convaincu de celle-là, ok? Genre, est-ce que je suis pas le seul là, please? Angela, peut-être. C'est quoi, Angela? Il y a moyen. Je peux y croire. Michelle, elle fait trop actrice là. En plus, sa faussette.
We're about to start, and my insides are just a nervous wreck right now. I'm hoping that she picks me.
Mais là, si elle le prend pas, c'est fini l'émission?
I need you to choose the 4 women you think most likely to be your mom. And then I will tell you which group contains your mom. The group you picked.
Ça, c'est
or
lourd.
the group you did
Ça,
not.
c'est trop lourd.
Now, whichever group contains your mom is the group that will move on because you cannot eliminate your mother.
Right.
Ok.
However,
Ok, ça va.
there's $100,000 at stake. So, if you choose correctly, then that money stays the same. But if you choose incorrectly, then the money goes from $100,000 down to $75,000.
Oh, goodness.
Okay. So, you ready to make your selection?
Yes, I am.
So, good luck.
Okay, thank you.
All right, ladies, when your name is called, please step forward.
Angela, can you please come forward? When I met
Ça, c'est
you,
évident.
I clicked with you better than anyone else. I had a very nice conversation with you. I felt it was very short, but it was nice. Angela?
Selon vous, est-ce que ça fait du sens? Je m'attends pas nécessairement qu'elle ait le plus de liens directs dès les premières rencontres parce que c'est sûr que la mère doit être un peu plus stressée, anxieuse, les liens sont...
Angela, I think that you might be my mother.
Alors qu'une personne trop à l'aise, ça fait bizarre aussi. Est-ce que je veux dire?
Karen, could you please come down? Hi. Hi. With you, I felt not very much of a connection. I didn't have very much in common with you. You mentioned horses.
Imagine sa mère.
I absolutely am terrified of horses. Karen, I don't think you're my mother.
Allez, casse-toi, c'était la vraie mère. Hein. Vas-y.
Lisa. All right, Lisa, I thought you were very fun. We had a lot in common, but I didn't quite feel it with you as much as I thought that I would.
Elle aussi, non, elle me dit
Lisa?
rien, elle.
I do not think you're my mother.
Oh, la déception, ok.
Linda.
Non, 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 pas Linda.
I very much enjoyed our conversation. It did throw me back a little bit, your spirituality. It was different. It was a conversation I wasn't expecting, but I enjoyed it. Linda. Linda, I do think that you could be my mother.
Ok, Belek.
Carol. But when you answered with beach volleyball, it got me. I love playing on the beach. It's my favorite thing to do. Although we had a lot in common, I didn't feel a very big or strong connection with you. Carol, I do not.
Mais c'est parce que sur les connexions, pas sur le caractère physique. Après, j'avoue peut-être le fait que tu sois blonde, c'est un piège.
You're a tough one for me. When you walked out, my first impression was overdramatic, very emotional. And then I thought to myself for a little bit, I was like, you know what? Either she's overacting or she's my mom. But because of that,
on va pas le mettre là. Okay.
I do think that you could be.
Ah, j'ai rien dit, c'est bon. Ok.
Michelle and Robin. With Michelle, I'll be totally honest. When you walked out, I was like, that's her. I mean, you're the one that looks the most like me. Robin, I really enjoyed my conversation with you, but I absolutely hate dessert.
Hein? Quoi? Qui déteste le dessert? Enfin de ma vie que j'entends ça.
With that said,
hein?
Michelle,
okay. Qui déteste le dessert?
I do think you could be my mother.
Est-ce que ma théorie de la faussette est vraie? À tout moment, c'est moi qui me suis trompé depuis le début là. Oh! Ça serait fou, quel plot twist.
Alexis, before you stand 8 women, one of whom is your mom. Now you've divided them into 2 groups. The women you think could be your mom and the women you think could not be.
Allez.
Now if you've chosen correctly, then this group moves on and your money stays at $100,000. But if your mom is in the group you did not pick, then that group moves forward and your money goes from $100,000 down to $75,000. So, you told me that you think Angela, Linda, Kim, and Michelle could most likely be your mom. Mm-hmm. Well, I have to tell you that your mom...
Oh! Oh! Moment suspense! Allez!
...is...
Ah putain, moment suspense. Allez.
Before you stand 8 women, one of whom is your mom. You've told me that you think Angela, Linda...
Ok, moment suspense
Kim,
encore.
Could most likely
Allez.
be your mom. Mm-hmm. Well, I have to tell you that your mom...
Oh!
...is not in that group.
Oh! Je le savais! Je le savais, bande d'impostrices! Bande d'actrices!
So lost. I am so sorry.
I wasn't upset because she didn't pick me. I felt for her because she was put on the spot with 8 women.
So, you want to say goodbye to these ladies?
Yes, I do.
You're going to all tell Alexis who you really are. Please.
Yo, c'est terrifiant! Parce qu'il y en a qui avait été des bonnes actrices, là.
My name is Amy Linden. I think you're really wonderful and extremely brave, and I'm so excited for you.
Oh, me too.
My real name is Amy Elizabeth Fisher, and I wish you all the best with this. You're
T'as pleuré au début.
brave, brave girl.
Thank you.
Alexis, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm a very emotional person.
Ok.
Yeah, we got that.
C'est pas que de l'acting.
My name is Denise Nankis, and I really wish you well with your search.
Thank you very much.
Alexis.
Eh, la théorie.
My real name is
La
Sylvie
faussette,
Zamora.
hein?
Just from seeing you, what a lovely person you are. I was gonna wish you the best, but you got it all already.
Thank you. I appreciate it from all of you guys.
All right, ladies, thank you so much.
T'as perdu 25 000 balles par contre. Aïe, aïe, aïe.
I felt like a loser. I felt like I'd really messed up. I had reiterated over and
tranquille,
over. I didn't want to hurt anybody, and I was so sorry to the women on the left. And you know what's funny is I don't need to be sorry to all of them. I only need to be sorry to one. I just don't know which one that is yet. I had heard that my...
Ouais, frère, le chat, je paierai cher, là. Je vais créer une prod et on va refaire la même, là. Qui sont mes adoptés dans les commentaires? On va refaire la même, là. On va les retrouver. On va faire une émission comme ça et je vais me faire plein d'argent. Ouais.
musical background. I
Pas
thought
100 000 balles.
maybe a little bit of karaoke would help me figure out the one that's my mother.
We're getting each of these ladies to get up here and sing a song. The song is one that came around just after you were born in 1980, and then it went on to be a big hit.
Sorry I can't be up there with you guys, but I'll be cheering you on. I promise.
I'm sure that makes them feel really good.
C'est nécessaire. C'est nécessaire?
Right up and stumble through the kitchen.
Pour myself a cup of ambition.
Hey! Ah, faut chanter, madame.
Jump in the shower, the blood starts pumping.
Out on the street, the traffic starts jumping. There are folks like me, and this is going.
Yo, tranquille. Tranquille, c'est pas noté. Là, qu'est-ce que tu vas vite comme ça, là?
With folks like me on the job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5 for service and devotion.
They just use your mind.
Yeah, Karen!
I couldn't stop laughing, but I feel as though I learned a little bit more about them.
Attendez, 2 secondes.
Service and devotion.
They just use your mind.
Si j'analyse la situation avec mes lunettes détectrices, je vois quand même une corrélation de fou au niveau du visage. Vous trouvez pas? Robin. Ouais, physiquement, elle lui ressemble de fou, je trouve. Genre, il y a un truc, tu vois, dans les yeux, dans la bouche et tout, ouais. Ouais, il y a un truc, je sais pas pourquoi je sens. Ah, Robin.
Be able to look at them, analyze their body, analyze their voice, analyze their personality, kind of all in one fell swoop.
It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it.
Lisa was funny. She was hysterical.
It's enough to drive you.
Elle a les moulots sur le champagne, là, ouais.
Karen, she seemed the most comfortable.
9 to 5, a way to make a living.
Carol was the most nervous.
Carol aussi, j'y crois, elle.
9 to 5, what a way to make a living.
Robin, with her ongoing laughter throughout the whole thing, reminded me a lot of myself. The way I'm looking at them all now,
les lunettes ne montent pas.
Personality a lot like mine.
Jump in the shower and the blood start pumping. Out of the street, the traffic starts jumping. Like me on the job from 9 to 5.
I was expecting a breakthrough performance from my mother because I had heard that she had a musical background, and there wasn't one. I don't know. I really don't know.
Je pense qu'elle a oublié depuis, hein.
This is so tough. After karaoke, the women and I all had a little spa treatment. They got face masks.
Est-ce qu'il faut m'expliquer pourquoi on met des concombres sur les yeux? Pourquoi faire? Est-ce que ça se mange? J'aime bien les concombres.
Hi.
Did you feel like you learned some things today?
Yeah, I do. But what? That was so weird.
Well, tell me.
I totally just saw Lisa and I thought it was me. That's really scaring me right now. Look.
Oh, c'est pas faux. Lisa, on dirait qu'on l'a pas mis focus sur elle, là. C'est vrai qu'elle lui ressemble de fou. Oh, le nez.
We have the same hands. I'm freaking out. Let's just go do this.
Okay, and then when you're ready, you come on downstairs.
I'm hoping that she picks me. I don't want to be eliminated through the whole thing because that would be really hard.
Hi. Hi. How are you feeling?
On va jouer le jeu aussi. On va également nous mettre 2 personnes là.
Ready to make your decision?
Yes, I am.
How confident are you?
Before it was a guess, and now it's a little bit more of an educated guess. But...
Ok, moi c'est entre elle et c'est quoi son nom déjà? Linda? Ouais, je pense que c'est Linda. Yo, c'est tellement dur. J'ai limite envie d'appeler ma mère pour lui demander là si c'est vraiment elle là.
Pretty confident.
Ma vie est remise en question.
It's time for you to choose which of these ladies is your mom. Now, as before, when you are done, I will tell you which group contains your mother. The group you picked or the group you did not pick. Now, whichever group contains your mom is the one, of course, that is going to move forward because you cannot eliminate your mother. But remember, there's $75,000 at stake. And if you choose incorrectly, then that money goes from $75,000 down to $50,000. Now, ladies, actually, there's something that you didn't know. After Alexis left the spa, she continued to watch you from a little hidden camera. Now, did anything happen during that period that has helped you make your decision?
Ok, non mais il y a un truc qui me vient en tête là. Imaginez juste, là, rendu à la fin du truc, elle se dit, ouais bof, la connexion, elle était mieux avec les autres là, dans sa tête là. Oh dommage, c'est pas elle, ma mère.
Conversations that I overheard that kind of made me think that I figured out who was acting, who wasn't.
Oh.
So good luck.
Thanks.
Ah, t'as intérêt pas à te tromper cette fois-ci là.
Thank you. All right, Karen, if you could please step down.
Nah, Karen, c'est non.
Karaoke, you and I seem so much alike. The problem is, for some reason, I don't feel a connection with you. I just don't see me in you. So, Karen, I do not think you're my mother.
Ça, c'est bon. Moi, je suis sûr que c'est validé, ça. Allez, casse-toi. Karen.
Carol.
Carol, j'y crois pas non plus, maintenant. C'était mon petit truc au début, mais non, j'y crois pas.
You look a lot like my adopted mother, which throws me off a lot as well. I look into your eyes and I see a lot of love for me.
Damn, c'est dur.
And for that reason, I think you could be my mother.
Et on s'est dit avec tellement d'émotion là, si c'est une actrice, mon Dieu. Je pense qu'elle est un peu déçue. Genre, pas déçue, mais genre en mode
Robin
Asie.
and Lisa, if you guys can come down, please. Robin, I don't really feel much of me in you, but at karaoke, I related myself to you the most.
Ok.
Lisa, when we were at the spa and you answered my question, what kind of mother are you? Your answer was adaptable. And I found that to be fairly ambiguous.
T'as dit ça? Ouais, je suis le meilleur, moi je m'adapte en fait là. Comme mes talents d'actrice, c'est ça? Non, je dis qu'elle leur ressemble un peu. Finalement, je reste sur mes deux options initiales. Oui, je sais, c'est ma vidéo, je fais ce que je veux, ok? Je fais genre, je suis trop un mentaliste là.
When I was spying upstairs, you pulled your hair back when you were sitting in the chair. And I was in the middle of talking to Finola, and I saw it out of the corner of my eye, and I swear to God, it looked like me. That really imprinted something into my head.
Peut-être c'est la prod là, ils ont choisi la bonne personne qui lui ressemble.
And for that reason, Lisa, I think you could be my mother.
Ah!
Robin, thank you.
Ok. Non, c'est pas toi, ça c'est pas elle, ça c'est sûr.
So, Alexis, you've told me that you believe that Carol and Lisa can most likely be your mom. I have to tell you that your mom is...
Oh, encore le moment suspense.
And Lisa can most likely be your mom. I have to tell you that your mom is...
Oh.
Most definitely in that group.
Ok. Ok. Est-ce que c'est pas mon intuition initiale en fait là? Ah, je sais pas. Non, en vrai de vrai, avec le recul, je pense que c'est quand même plus la dame à droite ici là. Tu vois pourquoi? Elle fait actrice. On dirait que je l'ai vu quelque part dans un film là. T'as pas joué quelque part toi? Dans les feux de l'amour ou quelque chose là?
Hi. I don't think I've been that happy in a really long time.
Finalement, les lunettes, c'est bullshit visiblement là.
I'm not thinking money. I'm thinking pride, and I'm thinking about my mother's feelings as well.
Okay.
Because you picked correctly, then your money stays at $75,000, and you are one step closer to being reunited with your mom.
En ça, imaginez genre, il y a quand même 75 000 $ en jeu, et là tu perds face à ta fausse mère. En vrai de vrai, il y a bagarre. En vrai de vrai là. Quoi, t'es pas ma vraie mère, t'as joué avec mes sentiments, en plus tu me prends mon argent? Bagarre. Quoi? Mais à quel moment je leur laisse passer ça?
God, I'm so excited.
We probably want to say goodbye to these ladies.
Yes, very much so.
Salut.
My real name is Joanne Gordon. I don't have any kids, but guess what? It was so fun being a mom with you these past few days.
I'm Debbie Tylak. And Alexis, if I were your mother, I would be very proud and honored for you to be my daughter.
Thank you.
So you need to get some rest.
As far as tomorrow's concerned, I'd like to have some one-on-one time with them. But I think I know already. I'm almost sure.
As you know, Alexis recently celebrated a birthday. And since you've missed her birthdays thus far, I thought maybe you'd like to bake her a cake.
I think of her all the time, mostly on her birthday. I've always wanted this to happen. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Je me pose la question, est-ce que quand tu mets un enfant en adoption, est-ce que c'est en mode tu laisses l'enfant et tu n'auras plus jamais aucun lien avec l'enfant? C'est-à-dire que tu pourras jamais, imaginons si ta situation s'améliore, si t'as des problèmes financiers ou juste que t'es trop jeune, peu importe et tout, recontacter la personne? Je sais pas si ça s'opère dans une dynamique où genre vraiment ça coupe les contacts totalement, tu vois. Ça c'est un peu... Ouais, c'est un peu particulier.
Okay, Alexis, before your big moment, the women each want to give you something.
Okay.
Okay? And I know that you've got a few questions that you want to ask them.
Yes, I do.
You ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Okay.
Let's go.
See you in a bit.
Okay. I want to ask why I was put up for adoption. I think I know why, but I want my mother to tell me, just to kind of close it up for myself.
T'as fait un petit gâteau.
I know I missed your birthday, but I wanted to share the first birthday with you that we're together.
Oh, thank you so much. Should I blow out the candle?
Yes, make a wish.
Quoi, c'est écrit quoi dessus là?
Carol came into the room with the birthday cake and immediately seemed very emotional, very in tune with me. I looked in her eyes and I saw a love for me.
C'est quand qu'on mange le gâteau?
These are kind of the questions I've been wanting to ask for a while. Why did you put me up for adoption? What were the circumstances? It's okay.
Ça, c'est une grosse performance d'actrice et c'est faux.
I was very young. I was still in high school. And I was going to be the first girl in the family to go to college. And they had it all lined up. And when I became pregnant, and I just thought it would be the best. I don't know.
Pas très détaillé ça en vrai de vrai là. À voir l'autre réponse là de l'autre là, mais.
We made a good decision.
Yes, I did.
We gotta meet.
Ça paraît très. On dirait que c'est une histoire que moi j'aurais racontée quoi. Qu'est-ce que.
I did not, because I didn't think that it would be fair for you. I thought it would disrupt you, and all I wanted was for you to be happy.
Vous êtes convaincu, vous?
Grow up and have things that I probably wouldn't be able to give you.
Does your family know about me?
Oh.
My 2 daughters are so excited to meet you. They know, and everybody is ready to welcome you into the family.
Good. It's so nice to be able to talk to
Elle a
you.
pas dit au début frère et sœur?
I think Carol could be my mother because of the way she looks at me. She looks at me with love, and it looks like she's really missed me. And I see that in her eyes.
Non. En fait, c'est vraiment, ça va jouer sur l'autre et tout, mais pour moi, tout est une question de détails dans la backstory. Et le background n'est pas, je suis pas convaincu en fait là. Non.
But I also took biology and I know what dominant genes are, so I'm not going to hold any physical characteristics away from making my decision.
Et pour le gâteau, Lisa.
This is a birthday cake for you.
Thank you
Un
very
autre?
much.
It only has 1 candle in it. And you're 24, and I missed all those years before. But this is our first year together. So that's why there's 1 candle in
Ça
it.
c'est très émotif, ça c'est une belle introduction, ça j'aime bien.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
En plus, ce gâteau a l'air meilleur, c'est bon, c'est elle.
All right. First off, why did you decide to put me up for adoption?
Allez hop.
I wanted you to have what I couldn't give you at that time. I don't know how at 18 I'd made that decision to find you someone to take care of you the way I thought you needed to be taken care of. I've never regretted that decision because I knew it was the right decision to make.
Ok.
That's a good reason. I'm thankful for it no matter what. I hold no grudges because I did have a very, very good life.
On a vu avec l'hélicoptère, je suis trop jaloux ça. Imagine, c'est fait quoi? C'est blague.
I'm so glad that's all I wanted for you.
Have you ever thought or gone ahead and looked for me?
No.
Sincère. C'est tellement sincère que ça peut que être vrai en vrai de vrai. Hein. Je sais pas pourquoi. On dirait que pour moi, une actrice aurait fait oui, je pensais à toi, en tout cas j'ai tenté, peu importe et tout, mais.
Why?
The reason I never did is because I promised your parents I wouldn't. I didn't know if you knew you were adopted. I did not want to go into your life and cause chaos.
C'est quoi, j'applaudis parce que déjà, ça vient du cœur. C'est une vraie réalité, j'imagine, de certains parents qui mettent leurs enfants en adoption. Et
Because of my own wants and needs.
Ok.
But anybody who's ever been a part of my life that's important, they've known about you. Because I wanted the door open in case you ever.
Ça peut que être elle. Ça peut que être elle.
I did not want the door closed on you at any time.
Lisa, I think, could be my mother because of the way that she looks. When I saw her in the corner of my eye, I saw me in her. But at the same time, I'm not judging on physical characteristics. As far as personality with Lisa, I've had a really good time with her. And I see a lot of love for me in her eyes as well.
Yo, c'est la performance de l'année. Si c'est pas elle, je pète un plomb. T'as toujours pas mangé les gâteaux?
I was just so close to them, you know? I thought I knew. Now I'm not sure again. Until I hug one of them and say, "You're my mom." I won't feel like the process has ended yet.
Well, you're really close to doing that.
I know.
So look at the monitor. One of these two ladies is your mom. And I really want you to think about this. Because you got to remember also that
que elle à gauche. Je crois pas au... Non.
No pressure.
But not only that...
It's not for the money, so I don't care.
Right.
C'est beau, ça.
I just don't want to be wrong. I'm
Trompe pas, t'as
feeling
l'argent.
so anxious to get this done with. It's been a really, really long journey. The process has been long, but the journey's been my whole life. And I'm ready to finish it and start a new one.
Oh là 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 là. En vrai, de vrai. L'émission est scandaleuse, évidemment. Le concept est un peu inhumain. Mais qu'est-ce que c'est divertissant. Yo, c'est trop fou. Je suis désolé. Oh, c'est bon, on va tous pleurer, là. Oh là 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 là.
Good? Nervous?
Yeah.
Excited? Yeah.
Yeah? Everything?
Mm-hmm.
All right, your mother's behind that door right now. Okay?
Uh-huh.
So I want you to take into consideration everything you've learned, everything you have witnessed, and above all, everything that you felt. So are you ready to make your final decision?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when you're ready, go up to the door and talk to your mom.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, ok, donc elle a déjà présélectionné. Ok, excuse-moi, je savais pas.
Because we got to hang out through the spa and the karaoke, I realized that we had a genuine connection. You asked me a question in the spa
C'est qui?
that showed your genuine love for me.
Oh?
And that is why I think you're my mother, Carol.
Non, je pense que c'est pas elle. Non, c'est pas elle. C'est pas Carol. Je pense que c'est pas Carol. Non! Attends, faites que je me trompe, please. Dis-moi que je suis pas le seul à en penser. Non! Donc, c'est elle? Je le savais! Je le savais! Oh non! Putain, le reveal là! Mais c'était évident! Comment tu t'es trompé là-dessus? Mais non! Au moins c'est mignon là, vas-y. T'as perdu l'argent pour rappel?
You are just everything I imagined. And more. Okay.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you. I didn't know. I should have gone by looks.
It's a game, babe. It's a game, okay?
Elle a une bonne réponse, en vrai c'est cool.
Beautiful. You are absolutely wonderful.
Beautiful. I just want you to know I guessed. I gave it a 50-50 shot. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not worried about anything other than I don't want
Juste envie de dire que je l'avais dit. J'ai pré-shot 14 moments avant, mais vas-y, je l'avais dit.
to hurt anyone. But I realize now that nobody got hurt. Everything's fine. Everything's great. Everything's perfect. Everything's exactly how I want it to be.
Mais t'as pas l'argent.
So hi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. So look, I know you thought Carol was your mom, but Cam is your mother. This is the woman who was filled with pride when she first set eyes on you. The woman who saw her own strength and confidence in you.
Attendez, je me permets. J'aimerais bien revenir un peu au début et voir en fait quelle était sa réaction quand elle a vu sa fille. Je suis quand même curieux.
Oh, this is weird. As promised, one of these women is your mother. And of course, 7 of them are not.
Meeting all the moms for the first
Ouais, j'ai vu un peu. Vous l'avez vu un peu sur le côté là?
R&D
Non.
mother and daughter
Non.
took DNA tests through DNA
Non.
Diagnostic Center, and they have authenticated you as a match. So your mom's standing in front of you right now.
Strong, and I felt proud.
Elle a dit, je me sentais fière que je sois maman. Et voilà, en fait, on la voit heureuse. C'est la seule qui est vraiment fière, on va dire là. Ouais, ok. En vrai, c'est une sensation qui peut se comprendre en vrai de vrai. T'as une fierté de te dire que ta fille, elle a réussi, elle a fait sa petite vie et tout, je comprends.
And the woman whose resemblance was so strong that at one point you
I thought I
actually
saw myself.
said, that's right, you actually said, I thought she was me. Well, a part of her is. She's your mom.
God, this is so
weird.
I know.
All right. Should we maybe find out who Carol is?
Sure.
Yeah. Yes.
L'actrice, là.
So, Carol. Hi, Carol.
Oh, you are so good. I am so mad at you.
C'est maintenant la bagarre, là. Le ring est à côté. Quoi? Elle t'a pris l'argent et tes émotions.
I meant a lot of what I said. So
Well, thank you.
You are a fantastic girl.
Yeah.
And she is so lucky to have you, but you know what? You are so lucky to have a mom like her.
That since you played this game so well, you are going to be walking away with $75,000.
Oh, la job d'actrice qui a payé, là. Là, vous me dites, tu peux gagner 100 000 balles, je vais faire de l'acting.
Yeah, you did. There you go. Congratulations.
Come on down.
Congratulations.
All right, you guys, do you want to get to know each other a little better?
Yeah.
Let's go on inside.
Okay. I knew I was going to leave here happy, and I'm going to leave happy. I didn't come here for money. I came to meet my mom. And I did.
C'est bien, tu te rassures, c'est bien. Je rigole.
And you feel great.
Mm-hmm.
Wonderful.
Uh-huh. You have spent 3 days trying to get to know your mom. And there's a lot more that you need to find out about her. So we put together a little something here. So that you...
Oh, elle va ramener le reste de la famille?
I was 18 when I got pregnant. I didn't know what to do. So my mother found an attorney who dealt in adoptions instead of just giving her to anybody, where I got to pick out who would take care of her for the rest of her life.
Ça, c'est trop bien. En vrai, ça, c'est trop cool. Je savais pas que quand tu mettais quelqu'un en adoption, tu pouvais choisir la personne. En même temps, forcément, t'as envie que le meilleur pour ton enfant.
And when I had the baby, they came to the hospital with a nanny, and I took him to the nursery, and they took her home.
En vrai, ça doit être dur. Ok, vous voyez, comprenez ce que je veux dire. Je pense que pour une mère, ça doit être quand même plus dur que pour un père sur un aspect où forcément le père l'aime tout autant, mais c'est plus que la mère, elle crée une connexion particulière où pendant 9 mois, elle a dans son ventre. Et après, derrière, elle a tout le processus d'accouchement. Elle l'a vécu probablement comme un traumatisme à 18 ans. Et après, derrière, on te le prend, l'enfant, là. Yo, ça doit être dur. Ça doit être vraiment dur.
This is what you have to look forward to. I have a husband, his name is Stephen. Also a daughter, 17, and her name is Kristen, and she's thrilled to death about meeting you. Peter, he just turned 14. I have a younger son, Chance, who's 12. That's about all of our family, but everybody wants to meet you. We're all here.
Alexis, do you want to meet everybody?
Waouh.
Okay.
Ça, c'est mignon, ça. Damn, tu rencontres une nouvelle famille, ça, c'est fou.
Yeah, of course. Come on. Yes.
T'apprends que t'as une sœur. Le gars, il a l'air blasé, par contre.
Wow, I have a wonderful family. I have 2 wonderful families.
Yes.
It was all worth it. Definitely.
En vrai, c'est trop mignon. Waouh. Oh là là, c'était vraiment trop triste cet épisode. Franchement, regardez ça, comment j'ai pleuré des larmes et touche pas sur les voix. Mais oh là là là, oh, exceptionnel. Franchement, en vrai, c'était quand même très mignon. C'était très cool. J'ai grave kiffé. Je vous dis, cette émission-là, elle est hors norme, elle est improbable et tout. Mais je la trouve quand même très très cool, divertissante et tout. La dernière fois, c'était tout aussi émotionnel et tout aussi intense. Donc franchement, si vous voulez, vous me le dites en commentaire pour l'épisode 3. Apparemment, il n'y en a eu que 3 diffusés dans l'histoire de cette émission-là. Donc il nous resterait qu'un seul qu'on fera ensemble. Donc vous me dites, c'était Madiba TV. Et qui est la seule chaîne secondaire sur la terre entière, mesdames et messieurs. On se dit à bientôt. Des bisous sur vos gros fronts. Et à bientôt.
J'aime bien quand elle fait ça, dance on me right now. Pull up dans le maybe with a gang right now. Elle rock with a gang, donc elle fait le sign. Elle fait le sign, elle fait le sign. Tu sais que ma mission c'est chercher le bread. Que la black money dans le fond de mon bed.